Follow my stream.
Yeah, we get it, bro. No one wants to follow your stream, Robbie, you little
shut
bitch.
up, bro. Jesus Christ.
Yeah, that's what everyone says,
I'm an upcoming streamer. I got 1 viewer. Myself.
You
Suck
little
a
bitch.
fat dick, Robbie.
It went towards long.
Hey, me.
Oh my god, you're nuts.
Oh,
Oh
that's a
my
hold.
god.
Alright, Robbie, maybe someone should follow you. Alright, we'll give you 2 followers.
Send some of those viewers, man. Host me afterwards.
Robbie, I'm gonna fucking come to your house and bash your head in.
Thank you. What?
Tarik, are you some kind of like pro player or something?
No, I'm just a streamer.
Amateur.
Okay.
I'm a content creator for Optic.
Amateur player, pro streamer.
I'll put you
Oh,
mid, tuggers.
That's what I thought.
Flash! Almost over, almost.
Almost.
A little more height.
It's really sweating right now, too.
Yeah, there's a lot of people watching. Oh my god. Oh no. He's got it, he's got it. Where's he going?
Okay.
No cat, no cat.
Where's he going?
Last round.
Where's he going?
Saving at last round.
He picked up the nade too, I'm done.
Yeah, that's the side.
So are you guys in open or IM?
What?
Are you guys in open or IM?
We should be in IM.
We should be in IM.
I am roster, to be honest.
Dude, honestly, we should be.
I'll carry you guys on an all $1,000 every match win.
How much did you say?
$1,000 per match win, 500 per match loss. So my time isn't
Maybe
wasted.
Steam, we'll discuss.
Hit me up with your PayPal, dude. I'll just.
PayPal is bigdick@tarik.gg.
No
Oh,
charge
okay,
back.
okay.
Yeah, that's
I
over,
figured
man.
it would be something along that lines.
Can we kick Miss Harvey, please?
Why are you so toxic, Robbie?
I'm not toxic, she's throwing.
You're
obviously.
throwing.
Look at her score.
Look at your.
Might be a little bit throwing, but
A lot bet.
Hey, you're baiting though, Robbie.
Baiting.
I don't know, I'm just very bored right now.
He's trying to exit to crack Tarik and clip it.
Alright, you literally sound like.
Yeah, I was trying to clip the clip and I just couldn't get the shot in. Yeah.
Sorry that I'm really nasally, man.
Yeah,
I'm
you
sorry.
sound nasally as fuck, dude. It's
Feels
pissing me
like-
off.
People have been chatting.
Follow my stream, RobbyJ_TV.
GG.
Robbie's not gonna say it.
Fuck Hoop, I think.
Yo, GG, drummer.